11/17/99. What is that, you ask? When I was born. Yes. Tina's last child. Yes, her last child of 4. Took 4 tries. But, hey, last try is usually the best. But today I come to you with my last lecture video. First, I didn't know what to do with this video, but thinking about it, a last lecture to me is basically telling everyone what I have done and accomplished by this age, or graduating, before graduating. And I haven't accomplished much, but I am thankful for everything that I have been through and everyone that I do have in my life and everything that I have experienced. No traumatic life story here. I was pretty lucky to have the life that I live. I was nothing but happy, goofy, and spoiled as a child. But as you can see, I lived the life of the ugly duckling. I was pretty shy when I was a kid, but that all changed when I began to dance with Miss Anita Neal. R.I.P. Miss Neal. I love dancing, and my dance teacher basically shaped me to be the young woman that I am today. Through her, I was lucky to meet my best friends. Now I have 4 wonderful brothers. I wouldn't change my best friends for anything. They bring the good and the bad out of me. We are truly the definition of best friends. Never have we ever changed up on each other, and I love them the most for that. Now that it is time for me to graduate, I would like to say thank you to everyone for either being a lesson or a blessing to me. I don't get that. Stepping into a new chapter of life, sometimes the smallest steps in the right end up being the biggest steps of life. Tiptoe if you must, but take the step. Hey, what? And remember, I never get cold.